Governor inaugurates Manipur University of Culture and State Film and Television Institute. Chief Minister sees off Hajj pilgrims at Imphal Airport. 357 pilgrims, including 220 women from Manipur, are going to Hajj. BJP Manipur takes out bike rally in Imphal to instill patriotism among the youths. And Arambab Robita to follow in footsteps of Irom Chanu Sharmila to undergo fast against ASFA. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Prime Time English News. I am Tensupam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor of Manipur V. Shanmuganathan, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam today inaugurated the Manipur University of Culture and Manipur State Film and Television Institute. The inaugural function was held at Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound. In his inaugural address, Governor V. Shanmuganathan said dance, music and acting is ingrained in the blood of the Manipuris. He said the Film Institute will not only help in producing good actors, producers and directors, but it will also provide employment to many people.
So the film can make people as gods. It will create, galvanize the masses. Such a wonderful effect these films can make. So already the acting, dancing, music, singing, it is in your blood. Your Manipur will be most attractive state in the entire country and the world. It gives a space for creativity. The film means it is a creation of thought, creation of idea. You can take people to a greater height through films.
In his address, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh said the government is looking for 150 acres of land for the permanent campus for outdoor shooting and editing. He appealed to the people to help the development of the two institutions into world-class institutes. Classes for Film and Television Institute will be held temporarily at Art College, Dance College and Music College, while classes for 8 different subjects of the Culture University will begin on the temporary campus at Palace Compound. T.H. Tombi, who designed the logo for Culture University, was presented with cash award at the function.
University ama woinanaba institution ama honanaba se Manipur gi praja sing laibiriba Manipur punamak singda laiba isinau sing Manipuri ni koi tampakta laiba koi punamak ki fullest cooperation ama mateng mai akoi gi nau na hoduiba institution haiba tare Manipur Technology University aduga Manipur Institute of Television and Film aduga Manipur University of Culture se punamak international standard laknana ba koi mayam punna hotna binarasi.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today see off the pilgrims from Manipur who are going to Hajj at Imphal International Airport. 357 pilgrims, including 220 women from Manipur, are among the 1,36,000 pilgrims from India. Executive Officer of Manipur State Hajj Committee, Muhammad Salahuddin Khan said, for believers in Islam, pilgrimage to Hajj is one of the 5 principles of the religion. He said every believer wishes to go to Makkah once in his or her lifetime.
Maruan Islam Dharma Chatpasingda Pillar Mangalai, Pillar Mangasi, 5 principles of Islam Hare Hangnay Madu Marung. He should go on pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in a lifetime. If physically and financially effort to Bungam Bataragadi, Makada Mutang Chatlo have a 5 principle lay Madu Marung the Kogi Karisha. Halsat Pasisu Amane, so Kogi Halsat Nabagi the Mak Taurang Toba to apply to Masing Yam Yami, the Koipira Ibakotasi, Yam the Vanina, Masida just on Nabadum Honabane.
Governor of Manipur V. Shanmuganathan has greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Patriots Day. In his message, the governor said the brave sons of Manipur fought heavily outnumbered, and our classes fought till the last in the Anglo-Manipuri War in 1891. He said it was on this day the British hanged our brave forefathers, including Bir Tikendrajit, for standing in their way of colonial expansion. Governor Shanmuganathan urged the people to take a pledge to remain united, irrespective of caste, creed or religion, to be able to meet all the challenges to the freedom of the country. Public Health Engineering Minister Manga Waifai today inspected water supply schemes in Wangkhem constituency in Langthabal district. The minister was accompanied by Wangkhem MLA K. Meghachandra and staff of PHED Langthabal division during his visit. Manga Waifai visited Hayel Labuk water supply scheme, Charangpat water supply scheme and Yairipok water supply scheme at Yairipok Bazaar. Later speaking to media persons at the residence of K. Meghachandra, the minister said Hayel Labuk water supply scheme will be completed in 2 months' time to supply water to the people. Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur unit today organized a motor rally ahead of the Independence Day celebration. BJP Manipur Pradesh President KSH Bhabananda flagged off the rally at the NCC ground at DM College campus in the afternoon. A large number of BJP workers participated in the rally. Bikers will cover several parts of the city during the rally. The rally aimed at instilling a sense of patriotism among the youths of the state. One-day political awareness program of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh was organized by BJP Bisnupur Mandal at Yangoi Ningthau Community Hall, Bisnupur. Speaking at the event, BJP Manipur President KSH Bhabananda said it is necessary for BJP workers to unite as one to oust the Congress government from power. He hoped that the party will win in the upcoming general election. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Uripok Mandal will observe Patriots Day on August 13. In a press release, the Mandal requested all members of the Uripok to attend the observance. International Youth Day was celebrated today at Manipur University. The event was held on the theme, The Road to 2030 Eradicating Poverty and Achieving Sustainable Production and Consumption. The celebration was jointly organized by Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development, Tamil Nadu, National Service Scheme Cell, Manipur University and Community Development Cell. Students of Manipur University and various colleges under Manipur University took out a rally on the university campus on the occasion. The event was held at the Centenary Hall. Zonal Director Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan Imphal Sahib Singh said the celebration of International Youth Day will create awareness among the younger generation about their role in the society and encourage them to work towards building a peaceful and prosperous state.
As you know, in our country, there is a very much poverty, in particular in rural area, and the youth of rural area is not get chance to for progress. We are trying to organize the rural youth and make them self-dependent through these messages.
Akhil Bharati Vidyarathi Parishat Manipur State today held a discussion at MIMS Auditorium, Manipur University on the roles of the students in national building. Speaking at the event, ABVP's National Organizing Secretary Sunil Ambedkar said, the name of an organization is known by the kind of works it does. He said many student organizations have been playing a major role in the development of the nation post-independence. A poster campaign Join ABVP was also launched as part of the event.
ABVP ने एक स्लोगन दिया, वो स्लोगन था स्टूडेंट पावर इज नॉट अ न्यूसेंस पावर बट स्टूडेंट पावर इज अ नेशंस पावर. छात्र शक्ति राष्ट्र शक्ति है अगर उसको सही दिशा मिल जाए. और इसीलिए कॉलेजेस और यूनिवर्सिटीज हैज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल टू प्ले इन नेशनल अफेयर्स, nation building, and they are not the centers of only studying the books Teachers and students in the universities and colleges, especially in the higher education, they have a special role to play in nation building.
A discussion will be held on Manipur Information Act 2005 at the State Chief Information Commissioner Chamber at Manipur Secretariat North Block. A national workshop will be held in Pune on last week of August to discuss the act. MIC has appealed to interested persons to participate in the discussion. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Yung manunggi application ki mapung faba solution pira Durasign G66 sizinabiu. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yung manunggi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang bafunglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung faklang khaidokna bagi irai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung gamai kai install to bayai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Women Against Crimes founder Arambam Robita Leimer has announced that she will follow in the footsteps of Irom Sharmila and undergo fast against the Armed Forces Special Powers Act (ASFA). Robita announced her decision to undergo fast until the act has been repealed from the state at a press conference held at Manipur Press Club this afternoon. A discussion was also held by representatives of several civil society organizations prior to her announcement. Robita also took part in the discussion. Speaking to media persons, Women Against Crimes advisor and representatives of civil society organizations present said they did not give their consent to Robita. They said Robita declared her decision before they could announce their stand on her decision. They maintained that they strongly oppose her decision. Robita said she wholeheartedly respects Sharmila and her cause. She would begin her fast at Kaisampat Laimazam Laikai Community Hall from 10 a.m. tomorrow. Robita, a resident of Komba Nongthongbam Laikai, has a 10-year-old son and a 4-year-old daughter.
Karigumba masida mai pak patargadi credit khudingmak aina isiamada amadi praja myam da pijagani masatli ba khongjang jidagi kaigumba sungpi mak pidra batara jo ai asiba thawai oina adum halla ajanu mayam loi bakti thawundo ga sarai mai khongjang chang bangam da bani nai hangna mayam gi maut sillaga henjabai wani chema sarmila na tok pasida ya to ajanu masi khongjang je tok pasina phare koi sarkar jina pira roi da bani na pen thogadi ai hakchang da su yai pen de haba kholau mayam jidagi changba mayam gi ya thangje kok tak ta thangkalaga akoi da kaigumba ikai bakhra leigidaba aduna akoi masa mamo mayam lei segi maut sindana isena potha jagra jumana atopa khongjang hongraga juaidana changchan jabune aduna mayam da adum sinajare.
Vehicles remain off the Imphal More road on the second day of the indefinite ban called by the JSC of Jamkholal Zou. Women ban supporters blocked the road near H. Kholenphai Khul. However, there is no report of untoward incident during the bandh. Zou Mother Association, Sugnu area is also supporting the bandh. Thoubal Municipal Council today cleaned the Thoubal market and its surrounding areas ahead of the Patriots Day and planted saplings. Chairperson, Vice Chairperson, councillors and ward members and staff of the council also joined the social service and planted trees on road median. The relay hunger strike launched by a coordinating body Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee demanding inclusion of Meiteis in the Scheduled Tribe list entered 6th day today. The relay hunger strike began on the 7th of this month at Sanakeithel Assembly Community Hall. A public meeting was also held today. Several banners demanding inclusion of Meiteis in the Scheduled Tribe list were displayed during the protest. Major General V.S. Srinivas, IGR South and all ranks of Assam Rifles have sent their greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Patriots Day. In a press release, the PRO Assam Rifles said the day commemorates the supreme sacrifice made by Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General on August 13, 1891 and reminds the people of their patriotism. IGR South urges the people of Manipur to stand united against the social evils and insurgency to bring about peace, prosperity and tranquility in the days to come. Lieutenant General H.J.S. Sajdev, Director General Assam Rifles, was on a 4-day visit to Manipur from August 8 to 11. He was accompanied by Major General V.S. Srinivas, IGR South, during the visit. The DG Assam Rifles visited 2 Assam Rifles in Langthabal and interacted with the Assam Rifles, veterans and widows in Langthabal. He heard the grievances of the veterans. He also visited Assam Rifles battalions under the command of the sectors deployed along the Indo-Myanmar border. Kaisamthong MLA L. Ibomcha said approach roads along 38 IVA roads in Kaisamthong will be constructed before the upcoming assembly election. He said construction of roads in the assembly constituency was halted for some time due to the rain, but the work resumed yesterday.
Kaisamthongda akhoi khangjabada kunthra train pa lei loinamuk sengudrobni adu mathakta major approach road agi kondong chongam je maru ba singsu loi sengmani handak tawjari yamna akhoina engineer sing tanaraga si tor phane mok chat jabani masida akhoi ranti kari leite akhoi development tawjabani development work ta thawai yaudana akhoi karawo candidate na akhoi nungdang sakchai janarga hidak pithablom chathabase yaraga tokpiu narum sing yobi ganu aina appeal tawjari.
Women Development Manipur said its Assistant Secretary Salika has been expelled from the organization for misusing the letterhead and documents of the organization. President of the organization, Oinam Inau, today told the media persons that at the organization's office at Wanghai Yonglan Leirak that Salika has misused their important documents and portrayed the organization in a negative manner. She accused Salika of convening with the President and Secretary of All Manipur Muslim Development Organization in negotiating many cases. He now asked 3 of them to surrender to the organization.
Ngasidagi mahakpu aikoi loop asigi president ga amasung member aikoi mayam ga pullaga office asidagi mahakpu ngasidagi tanthokjare aduga matungda sigumba aikoi gi letterhead saduna miyamda namthak tauba punamak asi tauramba taragadi aingi oiba amasung lukki oiba sairak kaya magi mathakta women development manipurna angamba lebenda honaduna mabu aingi oiba sairak pigani.
To prevent the spread of Japanese encephalitis, Belladonna 200 was distributed by doctors of Yangangpopi Primary Health Center PHC in collaboration with Laimakhong Mapal Saizang Sawungkhok YSWC Club, Laimakhong Mapal, MYCL Club, Saizang SPYC Club in Lamlai constituency in Imphal East. The medicines were distributed to 4,700 people. CMO Imphal East provided the medicine on the initiative of PWD Minister KSH Birain. Regular morning OPD for ENT pediatrics, obs and gynae and general surgery is available at Caesar Clinic Sanakeithel at Shanti Hospital Sanakeithel, Langthabal from 8 a.m. to 12 noon and evening OPD for obstetrics and gynecology from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday and Friday. The general body meeting of Apunba Manipur Matam Isai Kanglop Amik will be held at Lamyanba Sanglain on August 19 to elect 14 executive members. A Liangmai feature film which aims at raising awareness about the crying need to save the environment was released today. The film is produced by Western Forest Division Tamenlong and Prodigal Film Production. Principal Chief Conservator of Forest P.N. Prasad, Chief Conservator of Forest Dr. Lukho Puni and DFO Tamenlong Huri Golmai were among those who attended the film release held at Classic Grande. Gunindro Khangabam directed the film. Assam today became the first state to ratify the Constitution Amendment Bill related with the Goods and Services Tax following its passage by both the houses of the Parliament this month. Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal tweeted soon after it was ratified that a historic resolution was passed in the Assam Assembly as Assam became the first state to ratify the Constitutional Amendment Bill relating to GST. Sonowal said he is sure Assam will benefit from the GST through high economic growth and better revenue collection. At least 50% of the states have to pass what is technically the Constitution 122nd Amendment Bill 2014 for the next steps of legislative action to follow to ultimately introduce a pan-India goods and services tax regime. In sports, Imphal West shooter RK Mamta bagged goal in both point 177 Peep Sight Air Rifle Competition Junior Girls and Youth Girls event in the ongoing 26th All Manipur Shooting Competition organized by Manipur Rifle Association at Khuman Lampak Shooting Range. In the 25-meter men's individual center fire pistol competition, Imphal East shooter L. Lakshmikanta bagged gold, while Imphal East shooter Jupiter Asem bagged gold in the 25-meter junior men's individual center fire pistol competition. In 5-meter veteran men's individual center fire pistol competition, Imphal West shooter H. Tikendrajit bagged gold, while Imphal West shooter Kunisan Tonamba bagged gold in the 10-meter youth men's individual center fire pistol competition. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor inaugurates Manipur University of Culture and State Film and Television Institute. Chief Minister sees off Hajj pilgrims at Imphal Airport. 357 pilgrims, including 220 women from Manipur, are going to Hajj. BJP Manipur takes out bike rally in Imphal to instill patriotism among the youths. And Arambam Robita to follow in the footsteps of Irom Sharmila to undergo fast against ASFA.